The removal of the headphone jack from smartphones ushered in the era of true wireless earbuds. Over the years, true wireless earbuds have improved with features such as built-in storage, motion detection, and water resistance. These features come with a price, and if you are willing to spend over $100 on true wireless earbuds, you definitely want to consider these. Welcome to the Review Suite. I'm Jason, and this is our review of the Ascent Charge true wireless earbuds from Rowkin. Before we get started, I want to let you know that Rowkin did send these earbuds to us for review, but I'm going to give you my unbiased opinion about these earbuds. With that said, let's get into the review. So the Ascent Charge earbuds are the smallest true wireless sport earbuds on the market. Each earbud weighs 6.4 grams, and the charging case weighs just about 124 grams. There's a lot of technology packed into these tiny earbuds, so let's talk about the technical stuff. The Ascent Charge earbuds are powered by the MediaTek 1526P true wireless chipset with Bluetooth 5.0. In addition to the chipset, the earbuds come with laser direct structuring antenna. We'll talk about that technology in a moment. Sound is driven by premium mylar diaphragms. The charging case comes with a USB Type-C cable, and it also comes with a Type-C to USB-A adapter. Now, what's great about the charging case is that not only does it charge the earbuds, but it will also charge your mobile device, pending you have the right cable. That is awesome. The earbuds and charging case use lithium-ion batteries. For a full charge, the earbuds need about 70 minutes. The charging case takes about 120 minutes. On a full charge, Rowkin says they will give you 3.5 hours of music and talk, but in my testing, it was a little over 3 hours, but not quite 3.5. But that's okay, because with a charging case, you can fully recharge these earbuds 15 plus times. And what makes the case so special is that it is Qi compatible for wireless charging. Oh yeah, they're rated IPX5, so a little sweat won't hurt. Now, you're probably wondering how Rowkin packed all of this technology in such small earbuds. And honestly, I have no idea, but they certainly didn't sacrifice the build quality. The Ascent Charge earbuds are a premium pair of earbuds. They have a unique metal acoustic housing. This helps deliver sound, and it also magnetically secures them to the charging case. The top half is made from hard plastic. Here you'll find the capacitive touch control and that laser direct structuring antenna I mentioned earlier. The LDS antenna keep both earbuds synced and connected to your device. What's cool about the antenna is that it's molded into the plastic. The touch controls are also built into the earbuds, but they take some getting used to. The controls work like this. On the right earbud, double tap to play and pause. For Siri or Google Assist, triple tap. To skip to the next track, double tap the left earbud. To play the previous track, triple tap the left earbud. Again, the controls take some getting used to, and if you need a reminder, you have the Rokkin App to assist you. The Rokkin App is useful, but it isn't without its flaws. I installed it on my iPhone SE, and it works fine. You can adjust the equalizer and check the battery percentage of each earbud. The most useful feature of the app is Find My Rowkin. If you lose your earbuds, you can go right into the app and use the Find My Rowkin feature to pinpoint their last location. Do note this feature only works with location services always on. Personally, I do not like this because it's taxing on the battery. The app does jitter sometimes, but I'm sure Rowkin can fix this with a software update. You don't need the Rowkin app to use the Ascent Charge earbuds, but the Find My Rowkin feature is totally worth it. Now, at this point in the video, I'm pretty sure you're over there saying, Jason, all this technology is cool, but how do they sound? Well, let me tell you guys, the Rowkin Ascent Charge earbuds sound great. The bass is smooth and punchy, and I really like that a lot. Call quality seems to be pretty good. Whenever I made a call, everyone was able to hear me just fine, and I definitely appreciate that, as I still like to call my family from time to time. And because these earbuds have Bluetooth 5.0 technology, there's no latency whenever you're watching videos. Awesome. Overall, music and podcasts sound crystal clear, and that's what I look for whenever I'm shopping for earbuds of any kind. The only time I experienced issues with these earbuds is when I was working out in the gym. Now, in a setting like the gym, you may have people around you who are also using Bluetooth earbuds, so that can cause drops or delays in the Bluetooth frequency. And that's kind of to be expected. Whenever it did cut out, it was only for like a millisecond and it was hardly even noticeable. So keep that in mind if you buy these or any other pair of Bluetooth earbuds. Overall, I am pretty pleased with the Rowkin Ascent Charge earbuds. They look cool, but more importantly, they sound great and they fit comfortably in my ear, and that to me is a win. Now, the Ascent Charge earbuds retail for $119.99, but if you pick up the Ascent Charge Plus, you get the same earbuds with a Qi wireless charger in the box. So yeah, true wireless earbuds with a charging case that also charges your mobile device and a Qi wireless charger for $20 less than the most popular true wireless earbuds in the market. That's a win in my book. But that's going to do it for me, guys. If you found this video helpful or informative, let me know by hitting that like button. And if you have a pair of the Ascent Charge earbuds, let us know in the comments below what you think about them and how they have worked for you. Once again, big thanks to Rowkin for sending these earbuds out for review. And if you want to see more reviews just like this, please hit that subscribe button so you can see more. I'm Jason, and I'll talk to you guys on the next one.